to present to you one of the new bracelets in our Liberty ribbon kits. So here we have what you'll need to make up a beautiful bracelet inside your kit, and it comes already with every bit inside this organza bag and some easy to follow instructions on how to put it together. You'll just need some basic tools such as flat nose pliers. You will get 1 meter of the ribbon in your kit. You can make one bracelet and then you have some extra ribbon for creating another project as you wish. They're very simple to pop together, and you'll get your charm in this one, a toggle clasp, and your 2 ends as part of the components required. To make it up, I would go straight round your wrist, so you want this tight against the skin, as you're going to be adding the fastener in, and that's going to give us an extra centimetre of length. So cut that to the length required. On this mid-seval area, we are going to add our charm bead to the centre. To make this easier, just give yourself a little triangle. So I've just got a little triangle in order to pull through my jump ring, or you can just fold the ribbon in, and that's going to slide to the centre of our project. And now we can just attach our fasteners. So you want to lay your ribbon end into the fastener. And you want to use a pair of flat nose pliers to fold the edges over. So you want to take one edge of the fastener over and then the opposite side. We do the same on the other side of the ribbon. I'll just turn that back down so we've got a square end. And then we fold one side over again, and then the other. So you've now got your 2 ribbon ends onto the ribbon. You just want to pick up your jump rings next. In order to open your jump ring, you're just going to push one side away and bring one towards you to open it. And that's going to go through the end and onto one side of your clasp, and then you close that back together. So you close it the same way you opened it, so pushing one towards the other. Really make sure there's no gap in your jump ring once you've closed it. And then close that back together. Your clasp then just slots through, so the bar end through the circle to close your toggle clasp, and that finishes off your beautiful little creation perfectly.